Marrying a U.S. citizen? This is your fastest route to residency. Learn how your marriage opens the door to a green card and a future in the U.S. Marriage to a U.S. citizen is a top green card path, but there are key differences like CR1 versus IR1. CR1 is a conditional green card for couples married less than 2 years. IR1 is for longer marriages. The 2-year marriage rule decides your category. Under 2 years is CR1. Over 2 is IR1. Step 1. Your spouse files Form I-130 to petition for you. This starts the green card process. Next, gather required documents. Proof of marriage, identity, and supporting evidence for your case. You'll mail your I-130 packet to the U.S. government or submit it online, depending on where you live. Once received, you'll get a notice confirming your case has started and is under official review. If you live abroad, attend an embassy interview after approval to finalize your visa and enter the U.S. If you're already in the U.S., you might complete your green card interview at a USCIS office nearby. With CR1, you receive a 2-year conditional green card, perfect for newer marriages just starting out. With IR1, you get a full 10-year permanent green card for marriages over 2 years at approval. Both visa types let you legally work and build a life together in the United States. You can travel in and out of the U.S. freely with your green card, keeping your future flexible. Comment Marriage Visa Guide for a full checklist and start your journey to U.S. residency today.